Good morning, children. Today we are going to do paragraph writing. Have you ever seen a paragraph? Yes, you have. In all the lessons that you study, be it any subject, you have paragraphs, right? Each lesson has a number of paragraphs. Now, today we are going to see how we write a paragraph and what are the points to remember while writing a paragraph. Alright? So, let's get into it then. Okay? What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences about one idea or topic. A paragraph talks about one topic. Okay, all the sentences in the paragraph are related. They talk about one idea or topic. Okay, let's look at these examples now. Trees are very useful to us. Anna is a good girl. Tracy did not do her homework. My pet dog is Duke. APS Srinagar is the best school in Srinagar. Cheryl does not like milk. Now, if you look at this, these are all sentences. They're all a group of sentences. But then, are they talking about any particular topic? No, they're random sentences. They're talking about different topics. They're not linked, are they? They're not talking about any topic in particular. One line is talking about trees, one line is talking about Anna, one line is talking about Tracy, one line is talking about Duke, one line is talking about APS Srinagar, one line is talking about Cheryl. So they are not related in any way. Okay, they're all talking about different topics. So this is not a paragraph. Okay, this is not how a paragraph looks like. Now let's look at another example and see how a paragraph looks like. All right. Okay, so Anna is an excellent student. She is intelligent. She works really hard. Anna always does her homework and she's never late to school. She is very obedient. Anna is one of the best students in the school. So now if you look at this one, this is also a group of sentences, but it is talking about one topic, right? It is talking about a girl named Anna, who is considered an excellent student, and the sentences in this paragraph give us more information about Anna and why she is considered to be the best student in the school. Okay, so this paragraph is talking about one particular person. So this is how a paragraph should look like. All right, all the sentences in the paragraph should be related and should be talking about the same topic. Okay, so a paragraph is a group of sentences about a particular idea or topic, and it proceeds to tell us more about the topic being talked about. Okay, like in the paragraph about Anna, the paragraph talks about the girl named Anna and tells us more about her, tells us why she is considered to be the best student in the school and why she is an excellent student, right? Okay, now let's look at the parts of a paragraph. Just like we have different parts when we're writing a formal letter or informal letter, we have parts of a paragraph that we need to remember while writing a paragraph. Alright, so the first part of a paragraph is the topic sentence. It's the first sentence of the paragraph and gives us the main idea or topic about which the paragraph is talking. Okay, so after the topic sentence come the detailed sentences. Now detailed sentences are the sentences that explain and support the main idea. Okay, like the main idea that you gave in the first sentence, in the example that we discussed, Anna is an excellent student, right? That was the main idea, and the sentences that came after that explained to us and supported the idea as to why Anna was considered to be an excellent student. Okay, and then comes the conclusion sentence. Conclusion sentence is you're concluding and you're remembering the first sentence. You're reiterating, you're stressing on the first sentence, that is a topic sentence again in the conclusion sentence. Like in the example that we discussed, Anna is considered to be the best student is one of the best students in school, right? So Anna is an excellent student was the first sentence, and in the last sentence, conclusion sentence, what did you write? Anna is one of the best students in the school, right? So you are reiterating what is there in the first sentence. You are remembering it and you are supporting it. Okay. Okay, now let's have a look at the example that we did earlier. Okay. I have identified each of the parts of the paragraph with different colors for better understanding. So the one in purple, Anna is an excellent student. Now this is the topic sentence. This sentence gives us an idea as to what the paragraph is about, right? You read the first sentence and you understand that this paragraph is about Anna, right? Okay, now the detailed sentences. Detailed sentences are the ones in green. Okay, she is intelligent, she works really hard. Anna always does her homework and she's never late to school. She's very obedient. Now, all of these sentences are supporting the main idea of the paragraph. What was the main idea? That Anna is an excellent student. Now, all these sentences are supporting the main idea. Okay, and now the conclusion sentence is in blue. Okay, dark blue. Anna is one of the best students in the school. So you conclude by saying that since Anna is very intelligent, works hard, and all of this, she is considered to be one of the best students in the school. All right. So this is how you conclude, keeping in view the main idea, right? Okay. So when we look at a paragraph is a paragraph generally has at least 5 sentences. Sometimes it could be more, sometimes less, but generally it has at least 5 sentences. Okay. You should think of at least 5 detailed sentences. Okay. The first one is the topic sentence. You can include 4 to 5 detailed sentences and then write a conclusion sentence. Okay. It generally has 5, at least 5. Okay. And then whenever you start a paragraph, you leave an indent. Indent is the space left before you start the first word of a paragraph. All right. Before starting a paragraph, you leave a small place that is called an indent. All right. Whenever you start a new paragraph, you leave an indent. Okay. Okay. Now let's do 2 paragraphs, 2 sample paragraphs. I'll show you 2 paragraphs and then I'll give you a few topics wherein you will write paragraphs on your own. Okay. So the first paragraph we're talking about is trees. The topic is trees. So now look at this paragraph. Trees are very useful to us. They give us oxygen. They give us shade on a sunny day. Trees give us fruits too. We can use their wood to build houses and make furniture. Trees are an essential part of our lives. So now the first sentence, that is the topic sentence, trees are very useful to us, gives us a fair idea as to what the paragraph is about, right? We're talking about trees and how they are useful to us, right? And the detailed sentence, the following sentences that come after the topic sentence, tell us why trees are useful to us. They give us oxygen, they give us shade, they give us fruits, we can build houses and make furniture using them. And the conclusion sentence, trees are an essential part of our lives, concludes by saying they're very useful and therefore they're very essential part of our lives, right? Now coming to the second paragraph. Mother. Mothers are a gift from God. I love my mother. She takes care of me. She helps me with my studies. She teaches me new things. She cooks for us. She loves me the most. Mothers are precious. Okay. So now, when you look at the topic sentence, that is, mothers are a gift from God. That's the first sentence, right? Now, the first sentence gives us a fair idea as to what we're talking about. We're talking about mothers and why they're considered a gift from God. Okay. Now, the following sentences, the sentences that follow the first sentence, support the main idea that mothers are a gift from God, right? I love my mother. She takes care of me. She helps me with my studies. She teaches me new things. She cooks for us. She loves me the most. All of these sentences support the first idea, right? And the last sentence, the conclusion sentence, is mothers are precious. It is supporting the idea that mothers are a gift from God, right? We are revisiting the first sentence and concluding by saying mothers are precious. They are a gift from God and they are very precious to us, right? Okay. Okay, now it's the homework time. Alright, I've already shown you two paragraphs and I want you to write one paragraph each on the following topics. So what are the topics? Red, the color red. Okay. Summer, summer season, right? And my country. I want you to write a paragraph each and on all these three topics and you'll submit to me. Okay, the way you do all the time. All right. Okay. Okay, now let's do a small recap of the topic that we've done today. Okay, so what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences about a particular idea or topic, and it proceeds to tell us more about the topic being talked about, right? Coming to the parts of a paragraph. What are the parts of a paragraph? Topic sentence, detailed sentences, and then the conclusion sentence. You start with the topic sentence, support the topic with your detailed sentences, and then conclude with your conclusion sentence, right? End it with your conclusion sentence. Okay? And now, points to remember. A paragraph generally has at least 5 lines. Sometimes it could be less, sometimes it could be more, right? But at least five lines is enough, is required, right? It would look good if you write at least 5 detailed sentences for each paragraph. Okay? A paragraph always starts with an indent. Indent is the small space that you leave before the first word of each paragraph, right? Okay. So, those were the points to remember. Okay? Okay, children, that is all for today. See you in the next class. Take care of yourself.